Hey everyone, today we're going to solve a problem I know we've all faced. You see an amazing video or a perfect GIF on X, but there's no download button. Well, in this quick explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to save that content for free, and it literally takes just a few seconds.
I mean, seriously, how many times has this happened to you? You're just scrolling, you find this incredible clip, a hilarious GIF, maybe even a piece of audio you just have to keep, and there's just no way to save it. It's so frustrating, right? But don't worry, there's a really simple workaround.
And the answer is this awesome little tool called Save X Tweet. It is the perfect, simple, and totally free solution to this exact problem. And honestly, the best part? You don't have to install any weird apps or sign up for an account.
Okay, so let's get right into the how-to. We're going to start with the basics, just downloading a standard video. Once you get this simple process down, trust me, you'll be able to download pretty much any media you find on X.
It all comes down to the super easy three-step process. First things first, find the video you want on the X app or the website. Then, just hit that little share icon and tap copy link. Boom, step 1 is already done. Now for step 2. Just head over to the Save X Tweet website in your browser. You'll see a search box right there at the top. All you have to do is paste that link you just copied right in there. And for the final step, you guessed it, just click download. You'll then get to pick the quality you want, and the tool actually supports up to 1080p Full HD, so you know you're getting the original high-res file, which is awesome.
But here's where it gets even cooler. This tool isn't just for your standard videos. You can use the exact same process to save other types of media, which, makes it way more powerful.
So here's a fun little fact for you. Those GIFs you see on Twitter, they're not actually GIFs. X automatically converts them into looped MP4 videos to help things load faster. So when you use this tool to download a GIF, what you're really doing is saving that hidden video file. Pretty neat, huh?
So whether you want to save one of those animated GIFs as an MP4, or maybe you want to pull the audio out of a video and save it as an MP3 file, the process is exactly the same. You just copy the link, paste it in, and then choose the format you need. It really is that simple. So, you might be wondering, what makes this tool the best choice for this? There are other options out there, right? Well, let's take a quick look at the key features that really make it stand out. Okay, let's run through the highlights. First off, it is completely free and there are no download limits. You don't have to register, so you can stay totally anonymous. It doesn't slap any annoying watermarks on your videos. You get high-quality files, and it works on pretty much any device you have: PC, iPhone, Android, you name it. I mean, what's not to love?
Now, I know what you might be thinking when you hear about a free online tool like this. You probably have some questions. So let's just go through a quick FAQ and clear up any doubts you might have.
All right, first up, the big one. The question on everyone's mind is probably, is it really free?
Yes, 100%. The tool is completely free and you can honestly download as many videos as your heart desires.
Okay, next question, and this is a big one for a lot of people. What about iPhones? Can I download X videos on my iPhone?
You absolutely can. It works perfectly. Just use the Safari browser on your iPhone or your iPad, and you can save videos directly to your camera roll, no problem at all.
And our last common question. Once you download a file, where does it actually go?
Well, it's pretty straightforward. By default, your videos and audio files are going to get saved right into your device's main downloads folder. And pro tip, you can always check your browser's download history to find them in a pinch.
So, there you have it. That little barrier to saving media from X is pretty much gone now. With a simple copy and paste, you can download any video, any GIF, or any audio file you want in just a matter of seconds.
So now that you know how incredibly easy this is, it really just leaves one question. What's the first clip you're going to go save?